As you can see, we got more snow. We were in the middle of what we call a false spring, where it's kind of like mud season, and we haven't been parking in our driveway because the ruts are so bad. As it warms up, it just is complete mud. And this is what makes it so challenging to list your house for sale in New England, because you need to contend with mud season, but you want to get your house on the market because people that want to move, they want to move before, typically if they have kids, before the next school year, kind of like us. Lacey, what are you doing? Lacey, I'm filling your bucket. She is our oldest goat. Lacey, I got your bucket. I guess he thinks it's a buffet. He loves doing that. Here, Lacey. There you go. Anyways, it poses a challenge for us on what we want to do, and it's not easy. You get all these projects planned, and I'm really unsure when the contractor is coming. It's been 2 weeks, and I know his schedule's busy. It's really just our neighbor. So I may just have my husband give him a call and see when he can come. But I'm going to buy some ceiling paint today. We actually ordered some cabinets for the kitchen, 3 cabinets, nothing fancy, but the realtor thought return on investment, it would be worth it. And I bought them unfinished, and I'm actually going to paint them. I may paint them a neutral green color, kind of go with the Homestead vibe. I don't know. I just don't want my entire house white. So sorry, it's not a elaborate video, but like I said, I'm being transparent. That's where I'm at. I'm going to put things into the storage container and work on projects. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'm unsure if we'll go back to West Virginia in April. We may do a staycation this time and just really hunker down and get things ready. We're planning to list April, maybe May, in that time frame. So we'll see. But for now, I don't know if you can hear the raven in the background and hanging around. Anyways, for now, that is what I'm doing. It is snowing. I'm doing the farm chores, but not much progress, prepping for sale. Well, I guess it is. Right, Waffles? Yeah, so sorry for the small update, but I will post another video hopefully soon with some updates of more things we're working on. And today is the first day of spring, as you can see, right? What's really funny is the bottom of our hill, so about 10 minutes and you're in town, there's absolutely no snow. It was all rain. But because we're higher up in elevation, we got quite a bit of snow, as you can see here. So, yeah. As you can see, we have our storage container right behind me. So we're starting to fill that up. We're working on decluttering our house, getting ready for staging the house. We're painting the last room in our house, which is my master bedroom. And we're having a contractor come in to help paint. As you can see, we have a very high pitched ceiling, 20 feet. So we're hiring a contractor to paint the high areas. And yes, I'm having a photographer come in about a month. Hopefully the snow will be gone. I'm hoping. We're trying to list the house early May-ish. And I want to get some mulch brought in so we can make the front entryway a little bit nicer. And it's a challenge because this is New England weather. What's funny is 10 minutes down the road, which you enter the main town, there's absolutely no snow at all. It was rain. So when I was driving home from work today, I'm driving up the hill, and about halfway up, I'm like, what is all this? And it was slushy, and we have so much snow up here because we're higher in altitude here. We got snow while the main part of town did not. So that is part of New England, and I am looking forward to not being buried in snow constantly. That is something I am looking forward to because I've done it for over 40 years. All right, here's an update. So you can see our contractor has been doing a lot of work. They fixed that corner. Now, corners, at least for me, are hard for drywall. I know there's tips and tricks to it, but when it comes to something like this, we rather pay a professional. And he repaired the tape that was peeling on the ceiling, so that looks good. What are you doing, Marmalade? And he also painted the high points on the ceiling. You can see there, that's when I was painting the outside. So he got all of the high points, which is awesome. So he's gonna come back, fix this. We've got some CO2 detectors that he will replace for us. We actually have some new, I don't know what you want to call it, but it's for the wood stove. What is it called? It's basically a ceiling plate. He's going to replace that too. So it's been going right along. I mean, he's only been doing this for 3 days. So he does an incredible job. So it looks great.